Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use two monitors on Windows 10. Right now I have two monitors connected, but unfortunately it is displaying both the monitors, like on both monitors I'm seeing the same thing. So as you can see, my mouse is moving here, but on my second monitor I still see my mouse moving. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix that issue. To begin, what we're going to do is go to our Windows homepage. We're going to press on our Windows Start button and hit the settings. From there, what we want to do is head to the System tab. And as you can see on the Display tab, it is 1/2, meaning both my monitors are showing one screen. Now you can change the brightness of your monitor, but that's what we're here for. What you're going to do is press on this, go down, and as you can see where it says multiple displays, instead of duplicate these displays, you want to press on extend these displays. And as you can see, it's extended them. Now, from here, yours may be like this, 1, 2. Now, my monitor might be to my right, but if I go to my right, as you can see, it stops. It doesn't go to it. But from the left, it does change. So in order to make it so that it is right, you want to find your monitor. So let's say this is my right monitor. I'm going to put it on the right side and I'm going to press apply. Now everything is working smoothly. Next up, you're going to press on both your monitors, go to advanced display, and make sure they're on the highest refresh rate. As you can see, this one's on 120, so everything is good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.